Alright, so the PCB was hot off the presses and we were itching to test it, so I started soldering all of our components to the board. The resistors, the MOSFETs, the op amps, the capacitors, all the things. I love doing this process. I really enjoyed it. I enjoy soldering in general, but I do remember this being very difficult for some reason. I can't remember why, but I just remember it did not go smoothly on this first board. But then the board that we ordered from the professional place came in when I was like almost finished with this one, so I started assembling that one as well while somebody else started testing the actual design on the tech-made PCB. So it was a lot going on, as always. But you can see that this is the typical pretty green PCB that most people see when they open any electronic device. For some reason, this one was much easier to get everything soldered on. I don't remember why, maybe because it was done professionally, but that was the case. Either way, we ended up with 2 PCBs to run all of our tests with.